Hi, my name's Caleb, and we are going to be multiplying monomials. Now, mono equals 1, so that means like one variable. So that's just something like this, 2a. This is one singular entity. That's a monomial. When you're multiplying monomials, you're just going to worry about the numbers first. Don't worry about these letters. Worry about the numbers right now. 2 times 5, that's easy. It's 10. Now, when you have the a and the b, all you're going to do, since they're two different variables, they're not the same letter, you're going to put them side by side in alphabetical order. Now, when you're multiplying two monomials of the same variable, you're going to multiply the numbers again. 2 times 5 equals 10. Now, since there are two a's here, and they don't have a 2 or 3, they're not squared or cubed, there's just one a here, we're going to imagine that there's a 1. In a problem, you don't need to put this 1 here. You don't do that. We don't notate that. So we're just going to add up whatever is above the a's, whatever is above your variable. So that's 1 plus 1, that's a 2. So that becomes 10a squared. And then so on and so on. If you have if we had a 2a squared, so that would be like a 2a2 and a 5a squared. So both of them had 2. That would be a 10 to the 4th. You're just gonna add up whatever is above the a. Now, when you're multiplying a monomial by a polynomial, you're just gonna just worry about the numbers. You're gonna use the distributive property to multiply your 6a, by the 8b and by the 4. And you're gonna break it up into something like this, so that way you're not confused. So you have 6a times 8b plus, because we have this plus right here, plus 6a times 4. 6a times 8b, we already know what to do. 6 times 8, 48. A times b is just ab. Plus 6a times 4, 4 times 6, 24. And since we're combining these two, we're multiplying them, we're going to give the product our only variable. So that's 24a. Since these two are different, this is ab and this is a, you can't combine them. So they're different, and so that way, this right here, this is your solution. That's how you multiply monomials.